what's going on, DC boys and girls? This is James Ackerman here, and I am over here with your boy Dominic Carpenter.
Yeah, hello guys.
Today we are playing MotoGP 2, even though this is a MotoGP 1 box, because that was the box that the seller on eBay sent me.
And next, we'll be playing this game.
Yep, Buzz, depending, hold on, thank you. There we are. Depending how much battery I've got left on my camera, because I stupidly forgot my charger, I believe. Yeah, I did. Kind of sucks.
So which one should I go to?
Does.
Oh, this old one.
Yeah, this is a very old one, so you might want to... Yeah, we'll just go for that one. This is
yes.
Yeah, we'll go for yes. I don't really care. So yeah. Anyways, never mind about that. Luckily it's going to be a short one. Sorry that the camera view is not as good as the camera view that I usually use for my gaming videos. It's mainly because we're not using the regular TV. Press X. Press X. There you go. Do you want to go for arcade mode?
Yeah.
So yeah. We don't own the copyright to the songs, if you're wondering.
Right.
Yeah. And do you want 2 or 3 laps?
How do you change laps?
I think you press on X and then there you go. You can then choose. Okay, Dominic is going for 5 laps.
And these are all the tracks I've won. So
Yep.
we've got Suzuka, Catalunya, Aston, Paul Richard, Jazz, Lamont, Magello, Dodson, Seiki, Satsui, Catalunya, and all that.
Yep.
Let's go to Darlington Park.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is the track itself. Let's change to drive.
Mm-hmm.
Easy.
Mm-hmm.
I want to simulation.
Just leave it as off.
Start.
Mm-hmm.
And these are the drivers. Oh wow,
Press OK if you like.
this rating is looking at the grid.
Okay, let's go for it.
Look at the looking
I know
graphic.
the controls left on.
Ready, steady, go!
See, I actually bought this game back in 2005 time or so. It was about 2005 or 6 time.
I'm not sure how you brake in this.
I don't know if there is a brake button, but I can actually show you if you like.
Yes.
See, I'll show you how it's done.
Come on.
So you press X. See, I think you have to let go of X in order to brake. Okay. Okay, let go. Let go of the X. Now turn. There you go.
Oh, great.
Okay. Don't worry, don't worry. You're doing well, Dom. Like it's your first time. I mean, I remember playing it first. It was actually my carer's son that had that game, and I don't know if he still has this game, but I actually really enjoy playing it. So
I'm 18 place. Yes. No, 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 no.
Keep going.
Get back in the track. Oh no, no, no! Don't you dare pass me. No. Hello. Bye bye. Russell. Oh. They don't do Darlington anymore in MotoGP. They're racing Silverstone now. Because I just realised.
Oh, bravo.
Oh, crash! What a crash that was. They're making another loss. Hey? Oh no, God! Did I crash to someone? Oh my God, sorry! Driving to the future.
Oops, careful.
Oops, I went the wrong way by accident. But I'm still doing this.
Oops.
Why am I crashing to silly motorbikes all the time? So there guys, how are you doing on this wonderful Thursday, everyone?
For us, it's been really chucking down with rain and it's been freezing cold.
Stay tuned tomorrow guys for the Substance Hitter 1 episode 2. Stay tuned for tomorrow.
Sorry, Tom.
So yeah, everyone stay tuned for episode 2 of the Substance Hitter 1, which is going to be uploaded tomorrow, which James is going to upload very soon to my channel. So right, this video guys, stay tuned for tomorrow.
Yep.
no. I'm doing very great. I'm not yours.
Yeah.
I'm actually doing pretty distant.
Done.
We got the brake on. Brakes failure. What a mess. This is a big straight and it's... I'm doing quite good actually.
It does take time to get used to the controllers. I think it could be circle for brake. Do you want to try and press circle?
I tried in the...
Okay, you press circle now.
I brake too hard.
Yeah.
Never mind, it's the wrong way to go in this race. I've never raced a Dotton before. Sorry about the copyright music in this game, everyone. Sorry about the copyrights. Oh, I know what circle does. It changes music.
Alright.
So guys, James actually mistaken the controls, everyone.
Yeah, it's just it's been many years ago since I last played it.
You see? Its music changes. So about James's words. So
Oh, careful.
oh, I can change cameras. I'm doing all board. MotoGP are so cool. I like MotoGP. Oh no! Why am I going into the gravel? Have a motorbike, get into the grips of the situation.
Sorry about that. I had
Oh, so
So it's just eating.
oh my god! I broke a signpost.
Yeah.
Maybe I just for the sign.
Yeah. Sorry about the sound before. It's just I was having the Oreos.
How do I reverse?
I think you have to go back or something. Just trying to figure it out. It's been a long time. I don't think there is a reverse button because you can't reverse on motorbikes. You can't.
So yeah.
Now. See, I'm saying now in order for Dominic to learn that this is when you turn and so on.
Because I turn.
Yep, turn out, turn out.
Turn left. Oh.
Ooh, you nearly fell off.
But I think I only fell off this race once.
It was actually about twice or three times in total.
But I think the one that I hit last time was when I hit someone and I crashed into to win this race.
Yeah. Okay, turn out.
Too early.
Yeah.
Oh, should I say too
late?
late? Yeah, too late.
Yeah,
I'm
too
sorry.
late.
I was about to say too late.
Because if you were too early, you would have landed on the grass by now.
Bye bye.
In that early way. Okay, now turn.
Sorry.
Okay, you're fourth now.
I'm getting good at this.
Yeah.
I'm not lost.
Although some parts were, corner cutting. Okay, turn.
I'm not sure where I was about to turn.
Turn. Okay, keep going.
I'm not giving up.
No. Got fifth place again.
But I guess what? I could cut us hit then him again. Hello, guess who's here? Oh, I'm really sorry.
I think I was too far.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
I'm not trying to make fun of Dominic, everyone. I just think it's really funny when he's saying that he's just about to get back.
Oh, this is
then. Okay, turn.
Oh yeah, this is the last lap.
Well done, mate. So then we can finish this video.
That was so funny.
Oh. I think I was too far, Dominic.
I'm sorry, my God.
Okay, turn.
I didn't meant to crash into you.
I can see you're not trying to become another sort of Cody when he thought that he was taking that Operation game too seriously. Do you remember that part in Bowser Jr.'s Game Night Part 1?
Yeah, what about it?
Oh gosh, Cody took that too far, he did.
Cody!
He's like, oh, I'm so sorry, I can't believe your operation failed. It's a game!
Your operation was well!
Okay, keep going, Dom.
No.
Yeah,
Guess who's back!
Don't crash into them.
Why not?
Because otherwise you'll fall off too.
Oh, that was a good move.
Well done, Dom.
That was a good move, that one.
Okay, go for it. Whoa, jeez. No, you're third place. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I'm about to finish in the first race in a good
Okay, go for it. Go for
turn.
it. Turn.
Not that.
Turn now. You're meant to turn early. You are.
It's different between cars and MotoGP.
MotoGP and motorbikes are the same bit. The difference between cars and MotoGP are different. Oh, go.
I thought I was going to turn right, but it's left.
Oh, keep going fast. Go fast. Well done. You're back on track and you came 4th place. Well done, Dom. Well done, mate. So yeah, anyways, we're done. Thank you all so much for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, favourite, share, many more.
Subscribe now.